Beef Stroganoff. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons salted butter, divided. 8 ounces button mushrooms, sliced. 1 onion, thinly sliced. 1 pound sirloin steak, sliced thinly, against the grain. 2 tablespoons unbleached all-purpose flour. 1 c beef broth, we prefer low sodium. Half a teaspoon ground mustard seed, or 1 tablespoon whole grain mustard. 1 tablespoon tomato paste. Half a pound egg noodles, dry. Half c sour cream. Half a teaspoon salt. 1/4 of a teaspoon ground black pepper. To serve: sauteed shoestring potatoes, mashed potatoes, rice, or cooked egg noodles. Instructions: in a large skillet, heat 1 tablespoon of butter. Sauté the mushrooms in the butter over medium-high heat for 2 minutes. Remove the mushrooms from the pan and set aside. Add the remaining 1 tablespoon butter to the pan and heat until melted. Add the onions to the butter and sauté for 1–2 minutes. Toss the beef chunks with the flour and add them to the sauté pan. Cook until browned, 2–3 minutes. Add the beef broth, mustard powder, and tomato paste to the sauté pan along with the cooked mushrooms, scraping the bottom of the pan to pick up any stuck bits. Simmer the mixture over medium heat for 10–15 minutes, until the beef is cooked to your liking. Place the sour cream into a small bowl and mix a little of the broth from the skillet with the sour cream to warm it. Pour the warmed sour cream mixture into the saucepan and mix to combine. Taste the stroganoff and add the salt and pepper to taste. Serve the stroganoff alongside of potatoes, rice, or noodles, of your choosing.